Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope all of you are good. So, today we are going to talk about the trending coin of this bull season because this coin always gives shock to the peoples because this coin rebound from $16 to $188 and the demand of this coin is very huge, and we recently see that there is a new all-time high of 295 is made, and I think this is the best time to accumulate this coin. So we will surely analyze the Solana on multiple time frame because price action is looking very good. So maybe we can see Solana can reclaim its new all-time high again, and in this bull wave we can see Solana can reach to the level of $500. What's the reason behind this? I will tell you. So first of all, if you see that this is a weekly time frame of Solana. From here you can see that this is the level. I already marked this level many time in the live session. If you are our old member on YouTube, you know about that. So it took the liquidity from this level last time. From this level we saw that it rebounds $102 from here. Right now, after taking the liquidity, I am expecting new all-time high or previous all-time high from this level. Just waiting for the confirmations on pullback. You can accumulate Solana because there is one more thing I want to show you that I will use the Fibonacci. If you can see that this is the last price, sorry, this is the last swing from where we can see that Solana starts rally. See here, just at the level of 0.70. If you know the Fibonacci, 0.70 is the level where we can see most of the instrument can take the support and flies from there. So in weekly we are taking support from the 0.70, and there is lots of thing we have to see there. So this is Fibonacci. Okay, now liquidity sweep done in weekly. Second thing is EMA. So this is 20 EMA to 50 EMA. Okay, so here you can see that last time it crosses from here, then we see a huge rally. Now it is again going to cross this. Now you can expect a very huge rally in Solana again. Or if we see the next thing, RSI, so you can see that it is almost to near to the level of 37, almost a very good level for the buyers to buy, and looks like a breakout is coming. If you see that this kind of breakout is coming, so after the retest we can see that Solana is going to fly. So it will take some time, but it will definitely going to hit the new all-time high in 2025. So if you are planning to buy, then you can buy on pullbacks because our premium members already bought it below the level of 100. I already suggested in a premium channel, so they are enjoying, and now it's time for guys to accumulate the Solana because Solana is a fundamental strong coin, so you can accumulate it. Okay, so this is the overall scenario for the weekly. Now let's move on to the daily time frame. Now you can see that same thing is happening in the daily time frame. 20 EMA is going to cross the 50 EMA. So after that you can see a very huge rally, and you see that there is a trend line resistance also here. So it's a genuine breakout and a liquidity sweep done from that level also. So maybe after a pullback near $120 till $120 you can accumulate, and I am expecting $120 in Solana, a quick momentum of sharp sale, and after that we can see a rally in the crypto market. So season of bull market is again because gold is topped out. Now we can see a huge institution money will flow in the crypto market, so be ready for that, and this is the time where you can make money. Now what simple things, this is the last swing. Okay, now it is coming from this level. L- let's see here, 126 to $120 is a good range for the Solana to accumulate. So you can plan your entries in the Solana according to the day time frame also, or if you want to move on to the lower time frame, so maybe I think a trend line is in making, and it will come down and traps the sellers, then we can see a good rally in Solana. So this kind of pattern is definitely going to make, but it will take some time. So be patient, because always patience pay off. So if you want to make money in market, you have to take some patience, guys. Patience always pay off. Buy and hold. Or if you want to DCA, you can DCA. So this is the great levels where you can see that Solana is going to hit new all-time high in 2025. Guys, if you like this information, like the video or comment down how much you like this analysis. I think maybe Solana will hit $500 in 2025. So my prediction for the Solana is $500 till the end of the 2025. We can see that Solana will hit $500. Or if you are still not our Telegram member, guys, so go and join the Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. Or if you want to join our premium services, go and join the Telegram channel and check the pin post. You will get the username message there, and you will get the reply from the team. Okay, so I hope this analysis will help you. So we'll meet you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, see you, take care.